Is your M1 membership no longer the right fit for you? Maybe your financial goals have shifted, you've found a new platform that better suits your needs, or perhaps you're simply looking to streamline your subscriptions. Whatever the reason, deciding to part ways with a financial service can sometimes feel a little daunting. You might be wondering about the process, what happens to your investments, and if there are any hidden catches. It's a valid concern. When it comes to our money, we want clarity and control. We carefully choose where to entrust our funds, and when it's time to make a change, we deserve a straightforward and transparent exit. That's precisely what we're going to break down for you today. Think of your M1 membership as a toolkit for managing your finances. It offers features like automated investing, personalized portfolios, and even borrowing options. For many, it's a powerful and efficient way to grow their wealth. But just like any tool, there might come a time when you need a different one, or perhaps you've simply finished the task it was designed for. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of cancellation, let's take a moment to appreciate why you might have chosen M1 in the first place. Their platform is known for its user-friendly interface and the concept of pies, customizable portfolios that automate your investment strategy. This hands-off approach can be incredibly appealing, especially for those new to investing or who prefer a more passive strategy. However, life evolves, and so do our financial circumstances. Maybe you're now looking for more active trading capabilities, more in-depth research tools, or perhaps a platform with a different fee structure. These are all perfectly legitimate reasons to consider other options. So, the big question remains, how do you actually cancel your M1 membership? The process is generally quite straightforward, but it's essential to understand each step to ensure a smooth transition and avoid any unexpected hiccups. The primary method for canceling your M1 membership is through their web platform. While they do have a mobile app, the cancellation process is typically initiated and completed on a desktop or laptop browser. This is a common practice for financial institutions to ensure security and provide a more comprehensive interface for account changes. Here's a step-by-step guide to canceling your M1 membership via the web platform. Step 1. Log into your M1 account. The first and most crucial step is to access your M1 account through their website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the M1 Finance login page. Enter your registered email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile or settings. Once you're logged in, you'll need to locate your account settings or profile section. The exact location might vary slightly depending on platform updates, but it's usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Look for an icon that resembles a person, your initials, or a settings gear. Clicking on this will typically open a drop-down menu or redirect you to your account overview. Step 3. Find the account or subscription options. Within your profile or settings, you'll need to look for options related to your account details or subscription management. This might be labeled as account settings, subscription, or something similar. Click on the option that seems most relevant to managing your membership. Step 4. Locate the Cancel Membership or Close Account option. This is the key step. Within the account or subscription settings, you should find an option to cancel your membership or close your account. The wording might vary slightly, but it will likely be clear. Look for phrases like cancel membership, close account, terminate subscription, or similar language. Step 5. Review the cancellation terms and implications. Before you proceed with the cancellation, M1 will likely present you with some important information regarding the implications of closing your account. This might include details about what happens to your investments, any potential fees associated with closing, though these are rare for standard account closures, and what happens to any linked services like M1 Borrow. It's crucial to read this information carefully to understand the consequences of your decision. Pay close attention to any deadlines or specific procedures you need to follow. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once you've reviewed the terms, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the cancellation process. This might involve confirming your decision, answering a brief survey about why you're leaving, or acknowledging that you understand the implications. Step 7. Confirm your cancellation. After you've followed the instructions, you should receive a confirmation that your cancellation request has been submitted or processed. This confirmation might appear on the screen or be sent to your registered email address. It's a good idea to keep a record of this confirmation for your reference. Important considerations before canceling. While the cancellation process itself is usually straightforward, there are several important factors you should consider before you initiate the process. Your investments. What will happen to your existing investments within M1? You'll likely have the option to either sell your holdings and withdraw the cash or potentially transfer your assets to another brokerage account via an ACATS, Automated Customer Account Transfer Service, transfer. Consider the tax implications of selling your investments versus transferring them. Selling might trigger capital gains taxes, while a direct transfer generally does not. M1 borrow. If you're utilizing M1 borrow, you'll need to address your outstanding loan balance before you can close your account. You'll likely need to repay the loan in full. Contact M1 support if you have any questions about this process. M1 Plus membership. If you have an M1 Plus membership, understand the terms of your subscription. Canceling your core M1 Invest account might also terminate your M1 Plus benefits. Be aware of any potential refunds or prorated fees. Fractional shares. M1 is known for its fractional share investing. When you close your account, you'll need to decide what to do with any fractional shares that cannot be easily transferred. You'll likely need to sell them. Account statements and tax documents. Before closing your account, ensure you've downloaded and saved any important account statements and tax documents you might need for your records. Access to these documents might be limited once your account is closed. Customer support. If you encounter any difficulties during the cancellation process or have specific questions about your account, don't hesitate to reach out to M1 Finance's customer support. They can provide personalized guidance and address any concerns you might have. You can typically find their contact information, phone number, email, or live chat on their website. What happens after you cancel? Once your cancellation is complete, your access to the M1 platform will likely be terminated. If you chose to sell your investments, the proceeds will typically be deposited into your linked bank account after a standard settlement period. If you opted for an ACATS transfer, the process can take a few business days to a couple of weeks, depending on the receiving institution. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.